Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC B0030-2B indicates a short to another wire harness specifically connected to the left rear side airbag inflator in the 2023 Honda Accord. This Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, becomes active when the SRS unit detects a voltage on the detection line that exceeds a specified value, suggesting an electrical anomaly in the airbag system. The affected component, the left rear side airbag inflator, plays a critical role during a collision by deploying to protect passengers in the rear seat area. It is crucial that all airbag components, including the wiring harness, are in perfect condition to ensure safety systems are operational. Prior to troubleshooting, it is essential to confirm if the vehicle has been in a collision, as this could affect the validity of the DTC readings. Proper repair procedures, including the use of new components with the right part numbers, are necessary to maintain the integrity of the airbag system. DTC B0030-2B signifies a potential issue with the left rear side airbag inflator wiring harness. The SRS unit, which is responsible for monitoring the airbag system, detects a variance in the voltage level on the harness. This is critical because the SRS, or supplemental restraint system, must function correctly during an accident to deploy airbags effectively. If the inflator is shorted to another wire, or if there is an improper connection, it may lead to system failures at crucial moments. The left rear side airbag inflator is located on the driver's side rear of the vehicle, and its connectivity is essential for proper passenger safety functions. A physical inspection of the wiring harness and connections is crucial to determining whether the DTC can be resolved or if further investigation is needed. The potential causes for DTC B0030-2B include a shorted wire within the floor wire harness, which is known to transmit signals and power to the airbag inflator. A wiring harness may get damaged due to wear and tear or accidental contact with sharp objects. Moreover, the SRS unit itself could be faulty, leading to incorrect readings and DTCs, and it's essential to inspect and diagnose it thoroughly. Other contributing factors may include damaged or corroded wire connectors impeding electrical flow. Understanding these causes paves the way for effective troubleshooting and ensures that the vehicle safety systems are reliable and functional. The symptoms associated with DTC B0030-2B may include illumination of the airbag warning light on the dashboard, signaling a malfunction within the airbag system. More critically, if this DTC remains unresolved, it could lead to failure in airbag deployment during a collision, significantly increasing the risk of injury to passengers. Other indicators could involve irregularities in the airbag system response during vehicle diagnostics. It is vital for any vehicle experiencing these symptoms to undergo immediate inspection to ascertain the integrity of the safety systems. Failure to address these symptoms could result in serious consequences, hence highlighting the importance of prompt attention to this DTC. For the first step in troubleshooting DTC B0030-2B, begin by checking if there are any other associated diagnostic trouble codes present. This will help you determine if there are additional underlying issues affecting the SRS system. It is also important to evaluate the vehicle's accident history, as previous collisions can impact airbag functionality and may contribute to the DTC. If DTC B0030-2B is the only one noted, proceed to inspect the specific components involved in the left rear side airbag inflator circuit. This will help isolate the problem accurately and ensure that subsequent troubleshooting steps are effectively targeted. In this second troubleshooting step, inspect the floor wire harness carefully. Since this harness plays a key role in transmitting signals to the left rear side airbag inflator, Any signs of wear or damage should be taken seriously. Look specifically for exposed wires or callouts associated with shorts. This might involve checking electrical connector terminals for corrosion or loose fittings, which could compromise signal integrity. Proper attention during this phase can help identify whether shorts to other wiring are present, which will subsequently guide further diagnostic actions required to resolve DTC B0030-2B. The third troubleshooting step involves a detailed inspection of the SRS unit itself. Using specialized diagnostic tools, access the SRS data and determine if the unit is functioning within specified parameters. Verify the status of all connectors associated with the SRS unit, ensuring that they are securely plugged in and free of damage. If the SRS unit shows irregularities during diagnostics or if connectors appear compromised, these aspects will likely contribute to the persistent DTC B0030-2B reading. It's crucial to proceed methodically to establish whether the SRS unit requires repair or replacement to restore proper function. In this final step of troubleshooting DTC B0030-2B, conduct a thorough wire inspection to ensure there are no shorts between conductors. Utilizing a multimeter, measure the resistance of the various circuits related to the left rear side airbag inflator. A healthy resistance measurement should exceed 1 megaohm, indicating the absence of shorts. If any readings fall below this threshold, it confirms a wiring problem, necessitating repairs before any further testing. This methodical approach to wire inspection is critical in pinpointing the exact failure within the electrical system, thus ensuring the SRS can operate safely. After completing repairs related to DTC B0030-2B, it's essential to clear the DTCs from the system using a diagnostic tool. Following this, test the airbag functionality to ensure that the left rear side airbag deploys appropriately without any fault indications. Conduct a thorough check of the overall safety systems to confirm they are operating properly. This verification step is crucial to ensure the vehicle is safe for operation and the airbag system is fully functional. Documenting these repairs and tests will facilitate future reference should similar issues arise, thereby maintaining the integrity of the vehicle's safety systems. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B0030-2B, it is advisable to establish a routine maintenance schedule that includes regular inspections of all vehicle wiring harnesses associated with the airbag system. Protective measures, such as routing harnesses away from sharp edges or high heat areas, can significantly reduce the risk of wear and damage. Additionally, during any component replacements, ensuring that connectors and components are installed properly will enhance overall reliability. These practices are beneficial for maintaining vehicle safety and preserving the effectiveness of the airbag systems over time. In conclusion, addressing DTC B0030-2B involves a systematic approach to troubleshooting and repair. Each troubleshooting step is crucial in isolating the root cause of the issue to ensure that the vehicle's airbag systems function as intended. Prioritizing safety inspections not only helps in resolving existing DTCs, but also mitigates potential risks associated with airbag deployment failures. Documenting all findings during the troubleshooting process can streamline future diagnostics, thereby enhancing vehicle maintenance efficiency. Adhering to these best practices will ensure the ongoing safety and reliability of the Honda Accord's airbag systems and overall safety features. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.